Yeah, Stephen Collinson, I want to go to Tehran. Amir Daftari is there. We heard from President Rouhani. I mean, what is likely to be now in the coming days? What actions will the country take now that we've heard from President Trump on with regards to him pulling away from the deal?
That's right, Hala. Iranian President Hassan Rouhani made his own televised address, and he talked about continuing with the nuclear deal, even though the U.S. has pulled out. He said the U.S. aren't the only participants of this deal, that France, Germany, China, Russia, and the U.K. are still there, and if they stick to it, that Iran will go forward as well. They want to see how they respond before Iran makes a final decision. But what has happened by withdrawing from this deal, the Americans have definitely given the hardliners here and those who are opposed to the deal the upper hand. All along they've been saying the Americans are not to be trusted, that they will not hold up their end of the bargain, and tonight, Hala, they have been proven right.
All right, Amir Daftari in Tehran, thanks very much. So, Christiane, what do you think is going to happen next?
Well, I think precisely what the president said. They're going to President Rouhani. I think they